Welcome back to Guna House Ideas. Today, we're exploring the journey of building a stunning concrete house on a picturesque hillside, a home that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings while embracing modern design. This video is packed with inspiration, from the use of natural light to creating soothing landscapes that enhance the living experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Let's begin. The first step in building a hillside home is selecting the right location. For this project, the chosen site boasts breathtaking views, abundant sunlight, and a gentle slope ideal for construction. The hillside also provides natural drainage and insulation, key factors for sustainable living. Careful planning ensures minimal disruption to the natural ecosystem. One of the highlights of this home is the thoughtful incorporation of natural light. Large floor-to-ceiling windows and strategically placed skylights fill every corner with warmth and brightness. The orientation of the house was carefully calculated to maximize sunlight during winter while minimizing heat during summer. It's an architectural masterpiece that invites nature indoors. Concrete is the backbone of this hillside home. Known for its durability and low maintenance, concrete also provides a minimalist aesthetic that complements the natural surroundings. The exposed concrete walls, polished floors, and textured finishes create a modern yet earthy vibe. Plus, it's highly resistant to the elements, making it perfect for hillside construction. Step inside, and you're greeted by interiors that balance functionality and sophistication. Open-plan living spaces connect seamlessly, with clean lines and muted tones that echo the outdoor palette. Smart storage solutions and multipurpose furniture enhance usability while maintaining a sleek and uncluttered look. The landscaping around this house is as important as the structure itself. Lush greenery, native plants, and terraced gardens create a serene ambience. Outdoor living spaces, such as a patio and infinity pool, blend into the landscape, offering a perfect spot to unwind while enjoying the natural surroundings. Sustainability is at the heart of this project. The house features energy-efficient appliances, rainwater harvesting systems, and solar panels. Insulated concrete walls provide thermal regulation, reducing energy consumption. These eco-friendly measures not only save costs but also minimize the home's environmental footprint. Building on a hillside comes with unique challenges, including erosion control and ensuring structural stability. Retaining walls, deep foundations, and proper drainage systems were implemented to tackle these issues. The result is a home that's as secure as it is stunning. project of this scale requires a talented and collaborative team. From architects and engineers to landscape designers and contractors, every professional brought their expertise to the table. Regular communication ensured the design vision was executed flawlessly. Now, imagine waking up in this hillside haven, natural light streaming in, birds chirping, and a breathtaking view of the valley below. Every detail, from the concrete structure to the landscaped gardens, works in harmony to create a home that's both functional and inspiring. That's the journey of building a concrete house on a hillside, an endeavor that combines design, engineering, and nature. If this story has inspired you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Guna House Ideas for more such exciting journeys. Share your thoughts and let us know, what features would you include in your dream home? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.